Hello, sir. I am Akshay Kale. Today, I will present my project, Smart COVID-19 patient monitoring wireless robot. Sir, this is our project, Smart COVID-19 patient monitoring wireless robot. This introduction in this project, COVID-19 Center monitoring and management system has been proposed and integrated of different sensor with controller. The sensor implement can communicate with data collection and processing uh, and processing unit. Therefore, work amend the process COVID-19 center management with microcontroller based approach to handle medical service and patient monitoring and treatment workflow. In this experiment model, at mega controller, max 30100 pulse oximeter sensor and temperature sensor, DHT11 are integrated. The system has capability to monitor and control COVID-19 center service and patient monitoring via remote connection. It is evaluated with temperature sensor connected to measure temperature of patient. In addition, when patient get fever more than regular value, an alert was sent to authority in a quick time. Following newest robotics 10 2019 update by the Robo Global Robotics and Automotive Index, today healthcare accounts of 10% of the Robo Index with a focus on robotics guidance and surgery laboratory automation, genomics on AL healthcare application. The sector returned more than 21% in the first 11 months of 2018. This means robot of the health examination which supported to healing of patient has appeared more than ever. It plays a certain role in human life. In almost countries nowadays, specifically developed countries such as Japan and European, robots began replacing humans even do better than humans have done. After result, it is indicated that the developed system has effective potential to work in pandemic situation as a technological feasibility. This is the aim of the project is to in our project we are basically concentrating on following applications such as to develop wireless operated robot to measure temperature of patient, to measure oxygen level of patient, to dispense tablet of the dispensing box. The problem statement: doctor needs to be in direct contact with patient for COVID treatment. During this, there are chances to doctor be infected with patients. So need to develop system which direct contact of doctor and patient can be avoided unless in extremely necessary. Uh, Objective: to operate robot wirelessly, to develop wireless robot to develop wireless operated robot to measure temperature of patient, to measure oxygen level of patient, to dispense tablet from the dispensation box. This is our block diagram. In block diagram, there is in ground battery source for the table drive. There are two ways. There is tablet dispenser. There is control panel box. This is a temperature sensor. This is the oxygen level sensor. This is a mobile phone for video call with patient. Literature survey. Humi Durrani and Mithil said progress the nodes of ESP8266 unit used for various home application with server based system. Home application handled controlled by mobile user internet. In this paper monitoring for system work as a wireless communication and observation for running data shown in applet. Various objects are wireless connected with networks such as Internet of Things, IoT, Wi-Fi communication layer links for home application are used. Raspberry Pi store the data and send the application on request. D. Shivarama Krishnan and Subhash Chandra Gupta investigated that orientation of wireless sensing node system. This project explained about unexpected death rate through patient health monitoring system to communicate the problem. Temperature and heartbeat sensor are used to collect the patient health data and Arduino are used to the sensor. In the case of sudden change, the data are sent to the Internet of Things IoT. The given system will utilize the home use through patient, which is not in serious condition, but depends on the time deleted through doctor or family. Within a much minimum time, the result of ECG, blood pressure, and temperature are monitored by health monitoring system. Metallurgy. Automated system for welding is required for mass production as Make in India is on higher priority. So in order to compete the production rate of China, we have to implement such machine in higher scale. If machine cost is kept lower, it will be higher demand. So our methodology it usually to develop the automated system. This is a flowchart of the working process, study of different research papers, a framing project setup, dimension of frame, specification of the component of setting up a concept and model, assembling of different components, a result of discussion about the error in the concept model. System design and component. In our attempt to design a special purpose machine, we have adopted a very carefully approach. The total design work has been divided into two parts, mainly system design and mechanical design. System design mainly concerned with the various physical concern and algorithm, space requirement arrangement of various components. On the main frame of machine, on a control position of this control, easy of the maintenance scope for further improvement, weight of machine of ground, etc. In mechanical design, the components are two categories: design parts and the part of purchase. The motor selection. The selection describe the item must be calculated to find the optimum motor for a particular application section. Procedure examples are given. These are the we use Johnson 10 RPM DC motors. These are the power calculation of this motor, and the torque is a 16,875 Newton per meter. And this is the design of frame. The frame fabricator of our project, which is made up of MS, it is welded accordingly for the arrangement of the system component. The frame along with dimension is shown in figure below. So these are the frame calculations. The circular hollow section. So these are the system CAD designs. Uh, and this is a design analysis. Start assembly drawing of the structure prepared. Create a static state. Apply material to the structure. Apply fix up to the structure. Apply load to the structure. Creating mesh. Run the analysis. View result. Generate report. End. This is a bill of material. This is the cost estimation. This is the reference. Here's some of the Internet Things of the Internet of Things thing RFID Journal Volume 22 Number 7 PP 97114 2009. Ali and Mahabhadov Internet of Things Definition Challenge and Recent Research Direction. International Journal of Computer Application Volume 128 Number 1 PP 37 A7 47 2005. This is the reference of. Thank you.
Okay, Akshay. So you're going to make a robot. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, which is going to calculate the oxygen level and the temperature.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you're from the mechanical background.
Yes, sir.
So whether you are having any other member who belongs to your electronics or computer field?
No, sir. This is the only
So,
mechanical student.
Only mechanical student.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So which temperature sensor you are going to use?
What, sir?
Which temperature sensor you are going to use in your system?
So normal temperature sensor.
So what is normal means what is the specification? Because you are creating a project which is going to be working model. And for the oxygen level measurement, which sensor you are going to use? Okay, DHT11.
Yes, sir.
So Roshan, do you know the DHT11 specification of DHT11 temperature sensor?
Yes, sir, I know that.
Yeah.
Because this sensor I used in my project, so I know that because same the things I watched on the PPT. Akshay says I use DHT11 in my project. Actually, sir, DHT11 is it's a moisture sensor. Actually, the data pin is connect. DHT11 is a low cost digital humidity temperature sensor.
Okay.
Means
to measure the humidity as well as the temperature.
Temperatures also, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Roshan.